I think I can actually get back into game development because of these three reasons. First, my YouTube channel isn't my only focus now. I have a lot of other things going on. So I'm back. Got back from UK, so here are some clips.
Never says she said, 'cause if you doesn't, thanks, 'cause if you don't, I'll shoot you dead.
चलाना सीख गया, let's go. And yeah, it was a really nice trip. Like, UK is really nice. My keyboard broke, so I'm not able to use it properly. So I am using my brother's old random keyboard, which is really rusty, but it works. So that's better than my keyboard, at least for now. And my chair broke. Like, I literally cannot sit on it. I'm sitting on my brother's chair, which is basically the same thing, but height is not adjustable. So a lot of things are broken. But yeah, we move on. I literally have lost the, touch and everything about what was going on. So just suggest me your ideas in the comments down below, and yeah, we'll start something new this time. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.